How to change your default browser. Tired of links opening in that browser you didn't even choose? Let's fix that and set your favorite browser and default like a boss. Swipe down from the top, tap the gear icon. In the settings search bar, type default app, tap it when it appears, tap browser app. Here you will see a list of all browsers installed on your phone: Chrome, Samsung Internet, Vidmate. Pick your favorite one. If your browser isn't on the list, install it from the Play Store first, then come back and make the switch. Links are open where you want. Tap like if this helped, drop a comment if your browser acting steady, hit subscribe for more Android power moves because you run this phone now. Catch you in the next video.